శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 848th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్ మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 49th చాప్టర్. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaj, saying like this, O Raja. Sanjaya saying to Dhritarashtra Maharaju like this, O Raja, Sakshat Paramasiva came down to test Arjuna's valor and he fought with Arjuna. In that fighting, in that battle, Arjuna made Paramasiva very happy. And also all the Lokapalas, they gave their appearance to Arjuna. In this world, Sakshat darshanam etesham Ishvaranam naro bhuvi. There is no one who could have Sakshat direct appearance of Lokapalas. Arjuna got that chance. And Maheshwara, Sakshat Paramatma, he could not defeat Arjuna in the battle. Such great, valorous, strong soldier is Arjuna. Now tell me, who will be able to defeat him in this world? Who can come forward to defeat him in this world? Who can dare to face Arjuna in the battle? O Raja, your sons, they dragged Draupadi into assembly and they insulted her. Then Pandavas got very mad. With all this, your sons inviting such a huge, big battle, dreadful battle, your sons are inviting. Duryodhana showed his thighs in the assembly. Then you know what Bhimasena said? With his shaking lips, Bhimasena said like this, O Duryodhana, Uru bhetsyami te papa gadaya bhima vegaya trayodeshanam varshanam ante. O papatmuda Duryodhana, after 13 years are over, in the end, I am going to make your thigh pieces and pieces with my gada. O Dhritarashtra Maharaja, Sarve Praharatam Shresthaha, all the Pandavas are very efficient in hitting others. Sarve cha Amita Tejasaha, all the Pandavas have great effulgence. Sarve Sarvastra Vidvamsaha, all the Pandavas are very skilled, efficient in using all kind of weapons. Devairapi sudurjayaha, even Devatas also cannot defeat Pandavas. O Maharaja, because the wife of Pandavas got insulted, now I feel that those Pandavas are very angry at all your sons and they are going to kill all your sons in the battle. That is what I feel. Like that Sanjaya saying to Dhritarashtra Maharaj. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.